company started in 1960, and I purchased it in 1972, and we've grown the company from approximately 2 trucks to 25 trucks and 40 employees. We run a business 24 hours a day. No job too big, no job too small. If water goes through it, we do it. We've won these awards for 9 years in a row, and we're proud to be partners with with our Consumer Choice Awards. We do good work. We have good folks that work for us, and you know, any job that's brought in, we'll take care of it, and it's done in a timely manner. It's a great honor to be a CCA winner. Very proud of the awards. They are in the windows of the trucks and quite visible to anybody that sees the trucks. It's a great honor to have them and be part of it.